What's poppin', chef? In this video, I'll be talking about which DAW is better for making Jersey Club tracks. Now, time to time, I get questions like, is FL Studio or Ableton or Acid better for Jersey Club? And I want to discuss that with you in this video. Now, I use multiple DAWs to make music, and what I have open now is Ableton. Making Jersey Club in Ableton for me is cool. I really like the chopping features. I don't really like is the piano roll, but besides that, I like it. I like the multiple tabs. I don't really know what you call this, but I like this feature. And I have it FL open as well. Unlike Ableton, the piano roll on FL Studio is a very strong point if you make your own melodies, or if you want to chop in the piano roll. Like you have multiple options the way you want to chop. On Ableton, you only have the grid really. You can chop in the piano roll, but the grid is mostly where you'll be doing the chopping. Now you have Acid as well. Acid is I prefer Ableton a little bit more than Acid, because I feel like Ableton has more features compared to Acid, but Acid gets the job done. It's very lightweight, crashes time to time, but it does the job. The best one out of all three is really depends on you, chef. Like I use all of them, and I use some other ones. If you have Ableton, go ahead. If you use Acid, go ahead. If you use FL, go ahead. I think you should try all of them, see which one you like best. Some things are a bit easier. Like on Acid, if I were to drag in a song to remix, Acid has this BPM detector that allows you to like beat map it. On FL Studio, you would have to time stretch or use Slide 6 or Edison. Ableton has a feature where it detects the BPM for you too. Yeah, it really depends on your workflow, see which one you like the best. Compatibility wise, Acid is not compatible with Mac OS, but if you use Linux through Wine, you can get it to run, but from my experience, it doesn't run too well. Ableton is compatible with Windows and Mac OS. It runs on Linux as well. It's buggy at times running through Wine, but it works. There is Bitwig, but I haven't tried using that yet. FL Studio is now Mac OS compatible. It works on Linux as well, but it's buggy at times. But yeah, use all of them, see which one you work best in. And if you want to see more Acid or Ableton tutorials, let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next one.